Hmm?
I see a Fortnite video on here.
Oh, probably. I deleted some of my more questionable videos when I was younger and I didn't give a shit. Ah, yes. Okay, never mind.
I want to make YouTube videos, don't get me wrong. It's so hard to come up with content ideas.
You captured Zone
I
C.
literally just play.
Yeah,
See
see,
what
that's
happens.
easy, but
You lost Zone A.
is he spamming?
Yeah, please.
You get fucked up by a bot right now.
Whee! Getting fucked up by a bot? Bonk. Oh, you're so lucky you got that.
You captured Zone A.
My sword went through his head as you plunged your axe into its.
Wait, stay here, stay here. I'm gonna go
Why?
capture B.
Oh, there's Yorm.
Did they have a Yorn?
Yep.
Lost.
Oh, that's crazy.
Hip spam, hip spam, hip spam, hip spam. The AIs are getting all smoked.
Yorm fucking. I'm dead here. GG's.
You
Well,
lost.
I can tell you right now that he light spammed the ever living shit out of me. Yorm fucking light spam is crazy.
Oh. Oh, I'm gonna be dead if I fight the pirate. Oh, he's gonna make me fight him.
I can come help if you would like. Never mind, you're
I'm
dead.
dead.
You dead.
He's super low.
Yeah.
Well,
Come here,
yeah, he's
bitch.
so low.
Come here, bitch. I beat you from full health. Come here, pussy.
Technically, you could just
Yoink.
res me real quick. Res me, res me. He's distracted.
There it is. He doesn't give a flying fuck.
Nope. Because he's on low health, that's why. Alright, you capture this point if there's nobody on it. There's nobody on it, cool. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go help our teammates that
Blah,
have
blah,
three.
blah, 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 blah,
You got a
blah,
pirate
blah,
coming to
blah,
you?
blah, blah.
Captured
Fuck's
Zone A.
sakes. I hate fighting pirate.
Okay. I literally got one tapped by Monk.
Warden.
I got caught in a leg sweep and killed by Monk.
That's crazy.
You got another one. You got another one coming to you, watch out.
Let's even these out a little bit. Oh, you took that for him. Bonk. I used my fucking dagger and you just come ready to cross and just take it for him. They're not happy with me, I don't think. The warden ran away.
Oh, I'm getting ganked now. Oh, I got feeded. He feeded me. What a pussy. I wasn't trying to gank, bro. I don't know why I'm getting ganked all of a sudden. That's okay. Ezra's carry, now comes here.
You captured Zone C.
The only reason I stepped in, it was because the warden came up to you and started ganking you.
Yeah, that's fine. I don't care. I'm trying to figure out why the pirate's ganking me. I wasn't trying to. He's the one who decided to stop fighting me and start fighting you. I'm gonna go help Naruto over here.
Naruto.
You lost Zone
That's the
C.
game tag.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh, so it is. He's got the swirly bit things. Dude, the warden literally ran past A and just.
You captured Zone C.
刀剑无眼，刀剑无眼，受死吧！
Okay. I'm lagging like a motherfucker.
That's what? How does that take priority?
刀剑无眼，
Oh, Monk is a straight counter to fucking Hito, bro. It's so stupid.
Okay.
That's not wrong. We have 2 cents on our team. Alright.
Warden can't beat me one-on-one, so he had to gank me. Alright.
Yeah, they're all starting to gank now.
The Yorm backed off, but I wasn't smart enough to switch targets. So don't trust the Yorm, but like trust the Yorm if you get what I'm saying.
Oh no, he tried ganking our buddy.
I'm gonna go cap this really quick.
You captured Zone A.
All of them are out here, I think. Maybe 1, 2 of them are dead. Does he,
The monk?
gank?
Yes.
Yeah.
They're all ganking now.
Nice. Why do I have an eye over my head?
It's a feat. One of them have.
You lost Zone A.
Dude, this warden wants nothing to do with me. I'm gonna go down and fight him. Dude, this ward wants nothing to do with me. Dude, he's running. He's running away. Okay. Dude, the warden is actual shit. He's actually garbage. He runs away from me.
You lost Zone C.
You're cute, buddy.
Your team is breaking.
Oh boy, hey
fuck are
Nathan,
we
guess what
breaking?
feat I
Your team
have now?
Yeah.
I have the one shot.
Young. I've had my 4th feet for a while.
Your team rallied.
Oh, I
look at
got a
that.
DM.
From the monk?
Yep.
Yeah, what did he say?
He said, "Holy crap, have you spam much?"
Learn to you just fucking reply to him. Learn to parry. Book. Oh, he's learned to parry.
Oh, he light parried both of us.
Oh, that's good.
刀剑无眼，受死！
Enemy team is breaking.
That's crazy. Wow, you actually fucking killed me once. Well, actually, you didn't really kill me because you had help from the Yorm. But, you know.
I did message him. I said, "Learn to parry."
We're gonna be breaking.
You lost Zone A.
Not for long.
Your team is breaking.
Yeah, we're still gonna be breaking. Sent! 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 I'm dead. The one-time fucking pirate actually kills me.
That takes me out of it? What?
Yeah, that does a lot of damage.
His feet took me out of it.
Yeah, it does a lot of damage. So that feat basically just gives you an overshield, and once that overshield's gone, you can get taken out of it.
No, here's the thing, I still had it. His whole thing took me out of it.
No, I know, it does a fuck ton of damage. That's what I'm telling you.
Bro is still in my DMs.
Is he really?
You lost, Zone A.
Getting ganked immediately.
Okay.
That's crazy.
Lost Zone C.
Alright, time to focus up.
Get this guy out of my DMs, dog. What are these?
You captured Zone A.
Okay, dude, just fucking light me, dude. You're so fucking good at the game. Orochi,
That-
BP.
okay.
Orochi and BP are on C. I don't know if there's one more.
Our
There might be
teammate
one
isn't
more.
even. Bruh.
Are they farming you for revives?
Yeah.
It's actually crazy.
That's crazy, bro. I'm getting fucking bodied right now. I'm getting used. And our teammate's over there just fucking chilling. He was chilling with the fucking berserker.
You captured
Like
Zone
what?
C.
I'm coming. All four of them are over there. Oh, sorry.
Fine, I couldn't do anything anyway. What the fuck is this team? What are we matching with right now? Oh my god.
I'm pretty sure I had revenge, I just didn't use it because I didn't realize I had it. Alright.
Alright, Warden.
Oh fuck. You got him? One would hope.
lost Zone C.
刀剑无眼，受死吧！
You
Okay,
captured
dude,
Zone A.
this fucking team talk. Okay. It is what it is, I guess. They want to play dirty, they want to play dirty. It is what it is. Alright, let's see if I can take C back. Oh, look, they're taking A again.
You lost Zone A.
真是刀剑无眼，受死吧！接招吧！哈！刀剑无眼，受死吧！
Why are you running, dude?
You captured Zone C.
去你死地！浪费时间。
What? He didn't even attack me.
刀剑无眼，受
Bro stood there and I just fucking died. What did Berserker get fucking bleed or something? Don't. You're gonna defeat him, revenge. Didn't matter anyway. Apparently, I gave him revenge.
刀剑无眼，
That's fucking great.
Would you?
Apparently, me hitting him gave him revenge, even though I was the one initially attacking him, which shouldn't even fed him revenge.
太弱了！你死定了！刀剑无眼，受！
Okay, dude.
Okay.
You lost Zone C.
Okay, dude, I can't do anything against Berserker.
Yeah, I know she's getting you in that fucking lock. You know.
Your team is breaking.
Oh, I'm breaking, and now I have fucking. Oh, good luck, dude.
Are you... Dude, she's not even fucking attacking. You're seeing that, right? She doesn't even attack me when I fucking die.
Mm-hmm.